I'm Coach Margaret. I just wanted to come on here right quick and just share with you. I know you clicked on the video, so I'm super excited for you to learn more about my Fat Blaster Kit. As you know, with the kit comes our favorite drink to shrink that tastes like Kool-Aid, but it has no sugar in it. It has 9 organic herbs and it tastes delicious. You can lose up to 5 pounds in 5 days, but utilizing the drink to shrink with the Fat Blaster drops, you can lose anywhere between 20 to 30 pounds in 30 days. And with this product, the Fat Blaster drops, what this does, it curbs the appetite and it flushes fat. And it has natural herbs and ingredients in this. Plus, too, the drink to shrink is organic. So this is a great product if you're looking for an alternative to any chemical weight loss products. We have great testimonies that I'm also going to share in this video, so stay tuned for those. And as an added bonus, if you would like, if you're someone that lacks energy, the Fat Blaster Energy Drops are great for a pick-me-up for when you have those afternoon sluggish feelings, right, and you just can't get through the whole entire day. And both of these, you just take 10 drops under the tongue, hold it for 30 seconds, swallow, and that's it. But with these, this is for curbing the appetite. So after you take these, you can take this 3 times a day. So when you take this, you can really tell that it's curbing the appetite before you eat. So I'm super excited to be able to share with you my Fat Blaster Kit with just these 2 products, or the ultimate Fat Blaster Kit when you get the energy drops. So looking forward to helping you on your weight loss journey, and I will see you on the other side.